Hey everyone! The Xiaomi Mijia Wireless Floor Scrubber 5 represents another step forward in Xiaomi's growing ecosystem of smart home appliances, offering a modern solution for homeowners who want to vacuum and mop their floors at the same time. Designed for busy households, families with children, and pet owners, this cordless wet and dry cleaner combines powerful suction, intelligent water management, and automated maintenance into a single package. At the heart of the Xiaomi Mijia Wireless Floor Scrubber 5 is a high-performance motor capable of delivering up to 18,000 pascals of suction power. This strong airflow allows the machine to collect dust, crumbs, pet hair, and liquid spills in a single pass. One of the standout features is its real-time freshwater cleaning system. During operation, the roller brush is continuously supplied with clean water instead of repeatedly spreading dirty water across the floor. This constant rinsing process helps maintain cleaning performance from start to finish while leaving floors noticeably cleaner and more hygienic. Hair tangling has always been a challenge for floor cleaning machines, especially in homes with pets or long-haired family members. Xiaomi addresses this issue with a sophisticated 4-layer anti-tangle mechanism engineered to prevent hair from wrapping tightly around the roller. The overall design has also been carefully refined with ergonomics in mind. Xiaomi relocated the large 1-liter clean water tank lower inside the machine, lowering its center of gravity. This makes the scrubber feel lighter during operation, reduces fatigue during extended cleaning sessions, and naturally increases the pressure applied to the floor without requiring extra effort from the user. Its steering system is equally impressive, offering a wide turning angle that allows users to maneuver around furniture, table legs, and other household obstacles with ease. Water management is another area where Xiaomi has invested considerable engineering. Multiple control methods work together to deliver the appropriate amount of clean water while simultaneously collecting dirty water efficiently. Battery life appears well suited for medium to large homes. A full charge provides approximately 45 minutes of cordless operation, allowing the Floor Scrubber 5 to clean areas of up to roughly 334 square meters before needing to return to its charging dock. Perhaps one of the most convenient aspects of the entire system is its automated self-maintenance. Once returned to its charging base, a single button activates a comprehensive cleaning cycle that thoroughly washes the roller brush before using high-temperature air reaching around 100 degrees Celsius to dry both the brush and filtration components. The Xiaomi Mijia Wireless Floor Scrubber 5 delivers an appealing balance of cleaning performance, intelligent automation, and user-friendly design. Powerful suction, continuous fresh water washing, advanced anti-tangle technology, ergonomic handling, and an effective self-cleaning dock combine to create a floor cleaning experience that requires minimal manual effort. For households looking to replace both a vacuum cleaner and a traditional mop with a single cordless appliance, the Xiaomi Mijia Wireless Floor Scrubber 5 stands out as one of Xiaomi's most refined and practical smart cleaning products to date. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and God bless you.